Are you ready? Where are we? Are you ready? Where are we? Ah, you gonna go see your friends?
Hang right here.
All right.
Hey, hang right here.
Are you excited to go see your friends?
Yeah, yeah. I know. Oh, yeah.
Sunny? You ready? So here we are at the Pere Park. As you can see, Sandy is so excited to go in already, and she knows it. She knows she's gonna go see her friends. Friends? You ready? Yes, you ready to go see your friends? I know, corre. Friends? Friends. Corre, friends. I know.
Good morning, kids.
Morning. Your friends, Sandia? Corre, friends.
How are you?
Friends. Ah! This is Sandy's favorite park. She likes it over here a lot because there is a lot of doggies over here, so a lot of people come and get their dogs over here. Plus, it is a beautiful place for you guys to come and just relax. Jeff and I, my husband and I, definitely like to come over here a lot because the winter and summer, because it is like a wild forest, a wild jungle. It's a nice big park. It's not a jungle, guys, but it's a forest. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You know what I mean. People making fun of me here. Look at your friends, Andy.
You take that. You take this.
Okay.
That
Friends.
makes more sense.
Thank you, my love. Friends. And there she is. Who is she gonna go see?
She's just running.
Oh, probably she tied it. She looks like a dolphin.
I can tell by the.
So remember how I said that this park is like a forest? So check this out. This is part of the park. It is inside the park. And the cool thing about it is that you can just let your puppy or your doggy run all over the place. So I highly recommend this place to come and see. Beautiful, it's gated. You can let your doggy just loose and they just run all over the place. It's cool stuff. Highly recommended here in the Pere, Wisconsin. Free of charge. Just bring your own baggie for possible encounters with nature and droppings from your dog. Raining. See how pretty that is,
It
guys?
hasn't much mattered.
And of course, Sandy's enjoying the park. She loves this park so much.
Thanks, no.
Beautiful trails.
It really couldn't be developed too much anyway.
Yes. For you and your puppy or doggy to come and check. There's Sandy. Oh, somebody didn't pick up their droppings. Who does that? That is so not cool. Sandy.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
It's good for your puppy, good for us. It's a nice relaxation day.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi, good morning. Nice
Pretty
puppy,
dog.
yes.
Thank you.
Beautiful flowers too. Look at all of these flowers, wildflowers. Beautiful. Go, Leslie, go. More friends. Go find more
They did
friends.
build this up.
What's that, hun?
They did build this up. Remember how rutted this was?
Yes,
They leveled it.
they fix it. Friends, go to Sunny. Friends. You get. Oh my God! Look at this. It's all grown. Grass. Is that how you call that, or
Yeah. I call it weeds, but yes.
it's grass? Looks beautiful.
Yeah, check out the ticks when you get home too.
Mm-hmm. Beautiful trail. Andy. Look at all of these beautiful flowers, people. This dog park is highly recommended. It's one of my favorites. Come and check it out if you have a dog. It's good exercise for you and also for your dog, obviously. We truly like this place. Beautiful place, free of charge, here in the Pere, Wisconsin. And if for some reason you don't like to walk or anything like that, you can let just your doggy loose. And they got benches like this so you can sit down and read a book or something like that. As I mentioned before, this is a park where you can just let loose your dog and they can do whatever they want. Obviously, you need to be careful, pick up the droppings or whatever, because you have to be conscious of other people.
Morning.
Morning. Corre, let's go, corre.
We're out to welcome.
And I just love the nature, beautiful flowers. I love flowers. So these are wildflowers. You can see how it looks. Beautiful. And of course there's Sandy. Are you having fun? Yes, are you having fun? All right, let's go play. Plus, a cool thing about this park, people, is that they have a few things where you can train your dog. And just like I say, it's a public park here in the Pure, Wisconsin. I truly like it. It's beautiful. It's big. It's good for you and your dog, that's for sure. Up, up, corre, Sandy. Up, up. Corre, up, 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 up,
Up. Good girl.
up, down. All right, come on this way. Let's go this way. Come on. Up, up. Sandy, up. Right here. Up, up. Awesome. And there it is. This is pretty cool stuff, people. You can show your dogs tricks, and this is here in the house, in the park, dog park here in the pier. You want to go up again? You tired? You want to go again?
Yeah.
Okay, that's it.
Might as well.
Okay. Want to go take this way, maybe? You go a different way? Mm-hmm. That was kind of mean. It's like, oh my god.
It didn't start out that way.
Oh my god, yeah. You usually sense that those dogs are kind of like nice. Let me go ahead and just up this trail. Through this dog park, you have different trails. This is the Resch family trail. Once again, we see the benches. If you don't like to walk, you can sit down and just relax, enjoy the ride. And of course, I highly recommend, guys, that if you see your dog dropping stuff on the ground, pick it up. Be conscious of other people's dogs and people in general. My God, it's so fresh in here, so nice.
Mm-hmm.
And there's Sandy.
There we go.
In winter, over here is really nice too because you see a lot of snow, obviously. And um, it's beautiful. This is pretty big. I wonder how many acres they have.
Yeah, I don't know. I think it's like a 2 or 3 acre parcel.
Really?
Yeah.
Because it looks bigger than it is, really, probably.
Yeah, it's not huge by any means. Yeah, come on this way.
Let me go that way, see if what's out there.
Yeah, no, don't. Yeah, it's looking kind of
It's like mud.
questionable. I don't want her to fall either. That's the thing.
Right.
When I see surface like that,
She's like,
not so much. Right?
yeah. Just like I was letting you know, folks, before, if your dog or puppy do any droppings, bring your plastic bags. There's containers like that for you to be able to drop it in there. This is part of the city, and there's no bags in here, so bring your own plastic bags to pick up the droppings.
Little,
I just did it.
no, just not as active. She's slowing down. That's why I didn't want you to take
Oh,
that.
look at that. This is like a little. Ooh.
That's why.
And it's
Hey, kiddo, how are you?
friends, Sandy. Friends. Oh, that's a mini one. You are going to be able to see poles like this. So if you have any extra bags, you can definitely make a donation for this park. The city doesn't charge any money, so everything is pretty much donations. And obviously, please, please, please clean up your doggies droppings. Okay, so just like I was saying, there's a lot of donations here. This bench happens to be new, so it's in memory of Adam Van Ride, the firefighter. It's brand new, so and that's recyclable too, so that's pretty cool stuff. There's Sandy. And this park also, if you have a small dog or a puppy, this area happens to be just for puppies or small dogs. Sandy used to be a puppy once upon a time, so we used to come and bring her here before. She went to the other doggy park, which is for adults over here and bigger dogs. Highly recommended, people. So if you guys wanted to come and check it out, if you guys have a dog, please come and see. And once again, we have these containers. If you have extra bags, don't forget to make a donation here. Just put them in there and that's all. And pick up your droppings. Just for your information, there's information from this park if you have an emergency or anything like that. Also, don't forget to definitely follow the dog park rules and regulations. That location for this park, I will be putting it down. I'm going to do a link here on the bottom of the video so that way you guys can see what it is. Give it a shot if you have a puppy or a doggy. Just like I was saying before, this park don't charge any money, but obviously donations, I really appreciate it. So if you guys want to make a contribution, don't forget to help City of the Pier.